Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to give you a tour of my Oceanview Balcony Stateroom when I was on Navigator of the Seas last year. That was a fantastic cruise. I have other videos about that cruise, but this is just for the Oceanview Balcony room. The tour, I just want to give you guys, and I just wanted to pop in beforehand and say thank you so much for the support on my channel so far. I am newly learning how to do all of this. I do all the editing, video capturing, everything on my own. So I'm learning with every video that I produce. So thank you so much for the support so far and for bearing with me. I'm going to have some great stuff coming in the future. So this is my balcony room on Navigator of the Seas. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Scott. Thank you for coming to my channel. This channel is dedicated to all things cruises and living life with gratitude. We're going to talk about cruise reviews. We're going to talk about the ships. We're going to talk about the overall experiences on these cruises. We're going to talk about traveling solo, traveling as a big guy, and all sorts of other things. My hope is that you are able to find some value in the content that I'm providing, and if so, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos that I produce. So here's to our journey together, Grateful Living Cruises. Now let's get right into it. Okay, our rooms are ready, so I want to go inside and show you guys my balcony room. So here we are, 6580. This is a balcony, just a regular balcony room. Honestly, it looks very similar to all of the Voyager-class ships that have been revamped. This one actually looks a little nicer than the one I just had on Mariner of the Seas. The couch looks a little better. The carpet looks a little better. But basically, you have a nice sized couch. I have my bed set up as a king. You could separate them if you wanted, and plenty of storage. There's a safe in here, a little safe. The one I had on Mariner was a little bit bigger than that one, but plenty of storage here. We have the closet space here. It's just me on this cruise, so plenty of space for me. And then if you guys have ever seen the Voyager-class, I mean, the bathrooms are all pretty much exactly the same. But I do love that they don't have the shower curtains. I hate shower curtains. So I love that they have this. And I'm a big guy, and you know, there's plenty of room in here. So like, even for me to fit in the shower, there's plenty of room. So that makes me really happy. We also, aren't really in a pretty area, but I'm going to show you the balcony anyway. We're still in the port of Los Angeles, so there's not a whole lot to look at unless you like looking at container ships or containers. But actually, I find that very fascinating. You know, the port of Los Angeles is one of the largest ports in the US, and so I think seeing all of this is kind of crazy to me. But you guys can see there's big old cargo ship down there, and look at all these containers and all these big cranes. Like, I mean, it's literally just everywhere. That boat, they were just filling up the ship with fuel. So yeah, so it's kind of crazy. But I mean, even way back over there, it's just literally, you know, cargo ships loading and unloading, and it's so crazy. But you know, I've never been to this port before, so I mean, I've been to Los Angeles, but I've not actually been to the port. So anyway, just so you guys know, if you're on Navigator of the Seas, Mariner of the Seas was the same way, Voyager of the Seas same way. But the plugs, I have some extensions that I'm gonna have, but you wanna probably bring a longer cord because you don't have the USBs on this class of this particular ship in this remodel that you have in some of the newer ships. So most of your charging, if you don't have a long cord, is going to be over here and not by your bed. So that's something to be aware of. It's one thing I don't like about this class, or at least these that were all kind of revamped in the same time frame. They did not get those extra USB outlets, but there's stuff that you can order on Amazon that will help you to be able to expand how much usage you can get out of all of that. So anyway, this is my room for the next 4 nights. I'm so excited to be doing this cruise and then Harmony of the Seas back to back, because it will really help us to talk about the differences between the revamped Voyager-class ships and stepping up to the Harmony ship. Sorry, I had a little squirrel moment because I realized, womp womp, my curtain is ripped. Oh well, what do you get? Everything can't be perfect, right? All right, I'll see you guys later when I give you a tour of the ship. Bye.